Ever looked at a chart and thought, wait, which y-axis am I supposed to be staring at? That's exactly why sometimes we need to remove the secondary y-axis. It keeps things simple. And today, I'll show you how to do just that. We'll navigate Power BI's settings step by step and make your charts clearer, because nobody has time for confusing data. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. All right, let's talk about the secondary y-axis. It's like the helpful sidekick that sometimes tries too hard. Great for showing different data ranges, but it can quickly turn into a visual mess. We'll go over how it works, why it exists, and when to question if it's actually helping or just making your brain do acrobatics. Have you ever presented a report only to see people squinting at your chart like it's an optical illusion? That's the magic, or rather chaos, of a secondary y-axis. While it has its uses, removing it can bring harmony to your visuals, making them easier to read. Let's take a deep dive into why ditching that second axis might just be the best decision you make today. Combo charts, the Swiss Army knife of Power BI. They mix bars and lines, giving you a comprehensive view of trends. But like any tool, knowing when and how to use them correctly is key. Secondary y-axes play a role, but sometimes they overcomplicate things, like mixing too many ingredients in a recipe. Okay, time to get hands-on. The format pane is where all the magic happens, like a control room for your visuals. I'll walk you through the steps to access it and tweak your chart just right. It's super easy, and once you know where to go, you'll feel like a Power BI wizard. Now let's track down that sneaky secondary y-axis option. It's hiding in the format pane under y-axis settings. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to find it, like a treasure hunt but with fewer pirates and more data. Alright, here's the best part, getting rid of that secondary y-axis. It's as simple as flipping a switch in Power BI's settings. I'll guide you through it step by step, and soon enough, your charts will be looking clean and polished. Now that we've said goodbye to the secondary y-axis, let's make sure everything lines up neatly on the primary one. Think of it like reorganizing a messy closet. Once everything is placed correctly, it's much easier to find what you need. A scaling is key to a great visualization. Too small and your data looks squished, too big and it seems exaggerated. I'll show you how to adjust the scale to make your charts crystal clear. No more guess the trend games. Have you ever seen a chart where one bar looks huge, but in reality it's just the scale playing tricks? Auto-scaling keeps your visuals honest, preventing misleading representations. It ensures consistency, making comparisons reliable. And let's be real, manually adjusting every chart. No thanks. Let the system do the heavy lifting while we focus on making sense of the data. A great report isn't just numbers thrown on a page. It's a story told through visuals. Choosing the right chart type makes or breaks comprehension. No one wants to decode a mess of colors and lines. Keep it clean, use colors wisely, and make sure labels actually tell us what's happening. A well-crafted visualization doesn't just show data, it speaks data. Removing the secondary y-axis might seem like a good idea, until your data starts looking like a mystery novel with missing pages. Multi-metric comparisons can become confusing, trends might go off track, and decision-making can turn into guesswork. If clarity is key, make sure your audience can actually make sense of the data without feeling like they're solving a puzzle. If removing the secondary y-axis creates chaos, don't panic. First, ask yourself, was it needed in the first place? Maybe a different visualization will do the trick. Adjusting the primary axis scale helps balance things out. And if all else fails, tooltips and annotations can save the day. Sometimes the best solution isn't removal, it's refinement. All right, folks, let's wrap this up. If there's one thing to remember, it's this. Success isn't a one-time event, it's built through continuous learning and adaptability. Communicating effectively keeps teams aligned and moving forward. No one likes guessing games. Challenges. They aren't roadblocks, they're opportunities for innovation. And if you take nothing else from today, remember this. Consistency and persistence will always outshine luck. Now go out there and make things happen. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.